Back, everybody, to Bears Rush Up for April the 14th here on a good Wednesday. Nice, beautiful weather out here in Texas. And we're back on the C3 76 Corvette calipers today. And I've got a little bone to pick probably with myself as much as with not telling the owner, let's go for the good original OEM pistons. Ended up that new kit that was sent in are these aftermarket. And totally not too much different in the cylinder size, none. Height-wise, yes. If we compared these two, this one here is 3 thousandths taller. That's not going to hurt. Ends where it presses against the disc pad is the same, but it is, let me get this other one. This is the original OEM that has the flat bottom for the O-ring. And of course it is deeper in this than it is on this one. And this one has the bevel. This is for that wiper seal. The ones that everybody dreads. I got it in this kit. I can't go down and get O-rings because that thing's got a taper. I'll overgraduate it. That would cause a, let's get a O-ring out here. You're sitting on there, you can see daylight on over here on my right hand side. That would cause this thing to roll and it would eventually twist. That means these could go to the lathe. They can't because there's not enough meat to cut this down to fit square without going through the center, the side. Got to use the wiper seals. Now, here's one I just put in off camera. You know what I'm going through, guys. You're working on these GM 4 piston calipers. Literally took almost 25 minutes. I didn't set a stopwatch to it, but about 25 minutes, because not only do you fight the spring, you fight the lip, the dust cover, so you have to turn them up. It is a booger to get that dust cover rubber without boogering it, even if you use a plastic, non-sharp. By the time you walk halfway around, it jumps up back off the other side. And without another helper here with help, you can't put a piece of either PVC thin enough to help push it down over that and catch that lip. But you end up fighting it. And of course, where did I put it down? Here it is. If you turn them up, you still got to fight. Let's lay this caliper down. You still got to fight this angle. Now, you watch every video, you've got that little tiny area to come in, and then you got to tuck around, and then you can't, of course, feel and see back here. And so that becomes time consuming to not damage that wiper seal. I should have just told Alan, well, I won't have to mention his name, but the owner of the Corvette, send him back, get me the good stuff from over at Eckler. No, I'm not advertising for them, but if you watch everybody putting them together, they're the same thing. Get rid of the wiper seal. This car is going to have to be driven quite frequently, or that wiper seal will eventually collapse, and then we're going to have brake problems. So I'm going to suggest to them, once this car's up and going, that go out, drive it, pump the brakes, get it out minimum once a month or so. Get that brake fluid to where it's that seal. Well, I'll just put the bag down. But these wiper seals, as you know, are like toilet paper. Basically, they're that thin, you know, on that lip. And got to be super careful. Bad design. I should have never accepted that out in the market. That being said, we hope this video's help. I'm not going to sit here and video all this because I'm probably going to pull out some of this gray hair what I got left. And getting this done, I imagine my whole day will be kind of shot today getting this done. But we got to be ready for Saturday and bleed the brake lines. And still got to bench test this one. I've already tested the other ones. Everything's holding good with the hand pump. But thanks again to all my subscribers and viewers. And if you like what you see here on Bear's Rod Shop, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell for all, and we'll try to get more videos out. Been to the old dock here, off and on since March. Got me one of them echograms, and they did all that test on these veins, and he thought I was probably plugged up with STP. Come to find out, the only thing is I got a little high cholesterol. Blood pressure's coming down with this diet. Lost 32 pounds in about a month. My goal is from right now to be in January from a size 40 loose to a 32, 34 at least, 170 pounds. I'm 250. Yesterday, this morning, I was 247. I'm not giving this away. I am happy that I'm on a strict diet. They did a blood test, and guys, don't use spray carb cleaner, acetone. Don't wash your hands in gasoline. They found it in my blood system. They're going to have to do a biopsy if I don't get those levels down by August. And even found a little lead. Now, we have an old galvanized weld out here. I'm going to have that water tested because it takes a little bit of lead to get galvanized on. Probably get rid of that tank. Right now, we're not even going to drink any of that well water. We're going to use it for bathing and washing cars, etc. But somehow I picked up a small amount of lead, and that's not good. So it's turning these hairs kind of more gray thinking about it. But you guys take care of your health out there. We're not sissies if we have to put gloves and long sleeves on and a mask. By golly, I've got 11, one in the bun. There'll be 12 grandkids, one great grandkid, and I want to be around here, probably to 100, good Lord willing, and aggravate the doggone mess out of them so they will behave and learn something. And again, to Joe Pye, Blondie Hacks, Adam A-Bomb over there at A-Bomb 79, on and on, Titan over in his academy. Now, I watch that every day I can, and this morning, about 5 o'clock, I was there watching a 9-axis CNC machine do miracles. I mean, it just floors me, the technology is out there. And then I know Jeremy over there, Fine, I believe it is, he's building a robot with 12 axes, and all from up here. And that boy must have some engineering skills that we don't know about, but he's a fine electrician on electronics, etc. And watch his channel too. I've got some good ideas from him and some others on my welding table. His welding table actually goes up and down on the table height, and got a rotary table set up there on one end. I don't really have the real estate for all that since I got a mill and a rotary table, but I am fixing up the welding machine table fixture plate. It's going to be a 24 by 18. I'll have the T-slots in it. I'll have 3/8 and 7/16 drilled holes and taps, so I can hold down fixtures out here on the welding table. So again, an old metal shaper, Brian, I forgot him. I watch him every day too, and a lot more. But thanks again, all y'all subscribers and viewers, and come back and visit, and may y'all have a great summer. Get out there with them kids. Have a vacation. This country is in kind of a cahoots, but we need to get out and see our state parks, go fishing at your local river or lake, and enjoy life while you got it. That's all I can say. Bears out.